Have you ever looked at your Wealthsimple account and thought, I wonder if I can just take it all out? It's a question that crosses a lot of minds. But before you hit that withdraw button, let's dive into the nitty-gritty. Can you actually withdraw all your money from Wealthsimple? And if so, how does it work? Wealthsimple has made investing accessible to millions. It's a platform that promises growth, but what about when you're ready to cash out? Maybe you're looking to buy a house, pay off debt, or simply want your money in your hands. It's a big decision, and it's important to understand the implications. Can you withdraw all your money? The short answer is yes, you can generally withdraw all your money from Wealthsimple. But there are a few things to consider. First, the type of account you have matters. If you have a cash account, withdrawing your money is pretty straightforward. It's like withdrawing cash from a regular bank account. You initiate the withdrawal, and the funds are typically transferred to your linked bank account within a few business days. However, if you have an investment account, things get a bit more complex. When you invest, your money is pooled with other investors to buy stocks, bonds, or ETFs. Selling these investments takes time. The market is constantly fluctuating, so you might not get the exact amount you invested. Also, there might be fees associated with selling investments. Withdrawal process. Regardless of the account type, the general process for withdrawing money from Wealthsimple is fairly user-friendly. You usually do it through the app or the website. Log into your Wealthsimple account. Navigate to the withdrawal section. This is usually found in the Account Settings or Transactions tab. Specify the amount you want to withdraw. Be mindful of any minimum withdrawal limits. Choose the bank account where you want the money transferred. Confirm the withdrawal. It's essential to double-check all the details before confirming. Mistakes can happen, and you want to avoid any delays or issues. Tax implications. Withdrawing money, especially from investment accounts, can have tax implications. Capital gains tax is a common one. This is a tax on the profit you make when you sell an investment for more than you paid for it. So, before you make a big withdrawal, it might be wise to consult with a tax professional. Emergency funds and financial planning. Withdrawing all your money from Wealthsimple might seem tempting, but it's crucial to consider your financial situation. Do you have an emergency fund? Are you on track with your long-term financial goals? Withdrawing everything could leave you vulnerable in case of unexpected expenses. It's always a good idea to have a financial plan in place. This plan should outline your goals, risk tolerance, and investment strategy. Regular reviews of your financial plan can help you make informed decisions about your money. While you can generally withdraw all your money from Wealthsimple, it's essential to understand the implications and consider your financial situation. Weigh the pros and cons carefully before making a decision. And remember, investing is often a long-term game. Short-term decisions can impact your financial future. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.